Today I'll be showing you how to factory reset or factory default a Zebra tabletop printer. If the printer's already turned on, I have the customer turn the printer completely off. When the printer's completely off, I'll have them press and hold the pause and feed buttons in at the same time. As you're pressing those in, turn it on for your 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Up to that point, the printer is going to clear out any memory, calibration issues, darkness, speed, any problems that you might be having. The factory default will fix that issue. You know the factory default is working perfectly when the labels start feeding out anywhere from 2 to 8, depending on the size of the label. This is a fantastic fix for any issues you might be having. This is the first thing I recommend before contacting a service department. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.